Be honest with me, how often have you thought, investing is only for people with loads of money? I used to think the same. But here's the truth, you can start investing in the UK with as little as £50 a month. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. But first, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because I share practical strategies on money and growth every day. You might be thinking, what's £50 going to do? But it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. I remember when I started, and £50 felt tiny. Over time, it snowballed. Think of it like the gym, you don't walk in once and expect abs. You show up every week. Same with investing. With compound growth, those £50 a month can turn into thousands over the years. It's less about numbers and more about consistency. Let me know in the comments, if you had an extra £50 right now, would you invest it or spend it? Be honest. Now, let's pick the right account. In the UK, your best friend is a stocks and shares ISA. Why? Because it's tax-free. Whatever your investments grow to, you don't pay capital gains tax. That's huge. Think of it like a money umbrella protecting you from the tax rain. If you don't want an ISA yet, even a basic app like Trading 212 or Freetrade can help you start. The key is to open an account that makes investing simple, not stressful. Here's where most people get stuck, picking stocks. But you don't need to be Warren Buffett. If you're just starting with £50, go for ETFs, baskets of stocks. Some great ones for beginners are S&P 500 ETF for the biggest US companies, FTSE 100 ETF for the biggest UK companies, Vanguard FTSE All-World ETF for over 3,500 companies globally. Instead of guessing which company will win, you own a slice of hundreds or even thousands. Easy, low stress, and perfect for beginners. Would you rather own one company or 1,600 at once? That's what a global ETF gives you. Now, here's my secret. Automate it. Most apps let you set up an automatic £50 monthly deposit. That way, you don't forget or get tempted to spend it. Think of it like Netflix, the money leaves your account without you even noticing, but this subscription makes you richer. This one is key, don't chase quick riches. Don't expect £50 to turn into a Ferrari overnight. It's about slow, steady growth. Your future self will thank you. The biggest mistake: pulling money out too soon. Leave it. Let it grow. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Let me leave you with this thought. If you can find £50 for a takeaway or a new pair of trainers, you can find £50 to invest in your future. Every pound you invest is like planting a seed. The sooner you start, the more time those seeds have to grow. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start messy. Start small. Start now. Your £50 today is proof to your future self that you took action. If this video helped you, hit like so more people can find it. Drop your thoughts in the comments, I reply to as many as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to GrowWithAyo HQ for weekly videos on building your wealth and mindset. We're in this together, let's grow.